For this tutorial, we will be sprucing up an old garden planter. You need some paints of choice, a sponge, and of course, your stencil. Once you've got a good base down, place your stencil in the desired area, tape it down, and begin using a dabbing motion to apply the color. After your first stencil, turn your surface when it's dry and place your stencil down again and repeat the same process. Since the surface is round, the stencils will not align perfectly, but it will all be okay, trust me. You can be finished here, but I chose to add a border on the top to bring the piece together using another tonal color. And there you have it, a simple and easy way to bring some new life to your patio.